Hi friends, pull down your notification, then you can see option of Bluetooth toggle. Tap on that, then it will be turned off. Not disconnected, it is actually turned off. But in previous era of iPhones, whenever you tap on that Bluetooth toggles, it will be disconnect from all other connections and do not turn off the Bluetooth. But actually in Android mobiles, whenever you tap on the Bluetooth toggle, it will be turned off, not disconnecting. It is disconnecting and turned off. So that's the difference, and that's easy way. Simply you can save your battery from the usage of Bluetooth, and that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.